Looking for a memory card that can keep up with your drone adventures or action-packed shoots? The SanDisk 32GB Extreme MicroSD card promises just that. With its temperature-proof, shock-proof, X-ray-proof, and waterproof design, it's built to handle the toughest conditions, so your footage stays safe no matter what. I've been relying on SanDisk exclusively for all my media storage, especially for drone work. After struggling with other brands like Lexar, switching to SanDisk was a game-changer. I've taken these cards to some of the most remote and harsh environments, even underwater once, and they kept performing flawlessly. That kind of reliability matters when you're miles away from home and can't afford to lose a single shot. The 32GB size hits a sweet spot for drone pilots. Instead of juggling one large card, I carry multiple smaller cards, swapping them out after every flight. This strategy means I can fly for 2 weeks straight without worrying about running out of storage, and if I lose a drone, I don't lose all my footage at once. Plus, the card's Class 10, V30, A1, and US Speed Class 3, U3, ratings ensure smooth 4K video capture and fast data transfers, making editing and sharing quicker and easier. Compatible with GoPro Hero 8 and 9, GoPro Max 360, and DJI drones, this card comes as a complete bundle with an adapter and microSD reader, so you're ready to go right out of the box. Whether you're a professional filmmaker or a weekend adventurer, this card offers peace of mind and performance you can trust. If that's you, someone who values durability, speed, and reliable storage for your drone or action camera, this SanDisk 32GB Extreme MicroSD card is worth a look. Try it when you're ready to upgrade your gear and keep your memories safe no matter where your journey takes you.